Welcome back to the Privatized Banking Project. Here's a question most people face, but few answer with strategy. Should you pay off your smallest debt first, or the one with the highest interest rate? The right answer could save or cost you thousands of dollars. Today, we're comparing the two most popular debt payoff strategies, the snowball and the avalanche. We'll explore the math, the mindset, and the hidden third option most people miss. Let's start with the debt snowball method. You list all of your debts from smallest to largest by balance, not interest rate. You make minimum payments on everything except the smallest debt. That one gets all your focus. Once it's paid off, you roll that payment into the next smallest debt. It's called a snowball because your momentum builds as you go. The real strength of this method isn't math, it's psychology. Behavioral studies show that quick wins motivate us. Eliminating a debt, even a small one, creates a sense of progress, and that progress keeps people going. Now let's look at the debt avalanche method. This one's for the math lovers. You list your debts by interest rate, highest to lowest. Then you target the one that's costing you the most in compound interest. This strategy saves the most money over time, but it can feel slow. If your highest debt has a big balance, it might take months or even years to clear it. And during that time, it's easy to lose motivation. So how big is the difference? Let's look at an example. You owe $2,000 on a credit card at 19% interest, $5,000 on a car loan at 6% interest, $10,000 on a student loan at 5% interest. You've got $500 a month to put towards debt. If you use the snowball, you pay off the smallest debts first, but end up paying more in interest over time. If you use the avalanche, you save hundreds, maybe even over $1,000 in total interest. But progress will feel slower. So which is better? It depends on you. Are you motivated by momentum or optimization? Some people need to see debts disappear quickly. Others are disciplined enough to chase the long-term savings. But here's the truth. Both methods work. The key is consistency. Now, there's a third option, a hybrid strategy. Start with the snowball to get those quick wins. Then switch to the avalanche mode once your confidence and your monthly cash flow have grown. This hybrid method combines emotion with math, and it can be a game changer. No matter which one you choose, the most important thing is to stick with it. Automate your payments, track your progress, celebrate every milestone. Because debt freedom isn't just about numbers, it's about building a process that works for you. So what's your plan? Snowball, avalanche, or a mix of both? Drop your answer in the comments. We want to hear your story. And if this helps you see debt strategy in a new way, tap that like button, subscribe for more insights every week, and remember, at the Privatized Banking Project, we're here to build financial freedom through clarity, not complexity.